Hey, I'm Sander, a boat builder in progress. 3 years ago I started a project to build a wooden sailing boat from ground up. What we have now is a shell of a 23-foot sloop ready to be covered by the deck. Come along this journey of crafting and sailing Endra. I've decided to use mahogany plywood for the deck as base to stiffen and straighten the structure. On top of it, I'm gonna laminate larch patterns later on. But for now, we're gonna cut out the plywood and pin it down. But first, I have to level out evenly all the deck beams. The deck beams supporting the lodging knees have now disappeared under the deck, which spreads and let the boat look suddenly larger. Foredeck is now sheltering a narrow cabin, midship the engine, and aft I got to think about how to set up the whole steering contraption. I think she looks so more like a sailboat now. I can't wait to frame the deck with the cover boards. The boards are actually already ready to be worked on. Till then. Meanwhile, you helped me bringing Endra to fly her sail someday in following my channel. It means a lot to me having you along and hear your feedback. Fair winds.